Hello viewers, how are you all? I think you are really fine. In today's lecture, we are going to start with some problems on logarithms, more and more problems on logarithms. So let's proceed. Okay. So there are some problems you can see here. Some problems is here. Okay. The question is, find the value of m of the following expressions, where first question is logarithm of m with base 5 is equals to 3. We have to find this m value. And in second question also, logarithm of m with base 10 is equals to minus 2. We have to find the value of m. And in the third question, m is equals to logarithm of 1 by 32 with base 2. Here also we have to find m. In fourth question, in the fourth bit, logarithm of root 2 is with base a is equals to 1 by 6. Here also, but here the unknown quantity is a. Here the unknown quantity is a, not m. You can write here m. In any you can take any unknown quantity. Here on the unknown quantity is a. So logarithm of root 2 with base a is equals to 1 by 6. We have to find out the value of this unknown quantity. So let's proceed. Okay. First, logarithm of m with base 5 is equals to 3. So this is the logarithm form. You want to convert it from power form to power form. So 5 to the power 3 becomes 1 m. 5 to the power 3 becomes m. So m is equals to 5 to the power 3. That means 5 multiplied 5 3 times, m is equals to 125. Okay. Logarithm of m with base 5 is equals to 3. This is the logarithmic form given in the question. You have to convert it into the power form. So 5 to the power 3 is equals to m. m is equals to 5 to the power 3. Ultimately m is equals to 5 multiplied 3 times. So 125. Okay. 5 into 5 into 5. Then come to the second question. Logarithm of m with base 10 is equals to what? Minus 2. So this is the logarithmic form. We have to convert it into the power form. So 10 raised to minus 2 is equals to m. m का वैल्यू अब क्या आ गया? 10 raised to minus 2 आ गया. So m is equals to 10 to the power minus 2 means 1 upon 10 to the power plus 2 is equals to 1 upon how much? 1 upon 100. So m value you got here 1 upon 100. Okay. So come to the next problem. The third question is m is equals to logarithm of 1 by 32 with base 2. So let us solve here and find out the value of m. Okay. m is equals to logarithm of 1 by 32 with base 2. This implication also we can write in the left. Logarithm of 1 upon 32 with base 2 is equals to how much? M. So this implication 2 to the power m is equals to 1 by 32. This is logarithmic form. You have to convert it into the power form. This is the power form. 2 raised to m is equals to 1 by 32. So this implication 2 to the power m is equals to, if you multiply 2 5 times, then it will become 32. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, this is 4 times multiplication, then into 2 5 times. Okay. So 2 to the power m is equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied 5 times, so 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power m is equals to 1 into this 2 to the power plus 5 in the denominator can be taken into the numerator. It will become 2 to the power minus 5. So 2 to the power m is equals to 2 to the power minus 5. Left hand expression and right hand expression both are same, both are equal, bases are same, power should be same. So m बराबर क्या होगा? m बराबर होगा -5. m बराबर क्या होगा? -5. m का वैल्यू हमको निकालना था. ओके. देन कम टू फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम. Fourth problem is logarithm of √2 with base a is equals to 1 by 6. But here we are going to find out the value of a. The unknown quantity is here a. Okay. So logarithm of √2 with base a is equals to 1 by 6. We have to find out the value of the unknown quantity, that is here a. Okay. So this implication a to the power 1 by 6 is equals to √2. This implication a to the power 1 by 6 is equals to √2 means 2 to the power 1 by 2. If you want to find the value of a, then you need to take the power 6 both side. अब क्या करेंगे? बोथ साइड पावर क्या लेंगे? बोथ का पावर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड ऑल्सो राइट हैंड साइड का पावर 6 लेंगे. टेकिंग पावर 6 both sides. Okay. So a to the power 1 by 6 whole to the power 6 is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 6. So a to the power 1 by 6 into 6 is equals to 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 6. तो अब क्या आ गया? 6 कैंसिल हो गया. a to the power 1 हो गया a is equals to 2 into 6 कैंसिल हो गया 2 to the power 3. This implication a is equals to 2 to the power 3 is 8. a का वैल्यू हमारा अननोन क्वांटिटी जो थे उसका वैल्यू 8 आ गया. a का वैल्यू 8 ही फाइंड आउट करना था हमको. ओके. ये क्वेश्चन था. लॉगरिथम ऑफ √2 विथ बेस a इज इक्वल्स टू 1 by 6. सो a का वैल्यू आ गया, क्या आ गया? 8 आ गया. a का वैल्यू क्या आ गया? 8 आ गया. समझ आया ना? सो अब और कुछ प्रॉब्लम को प्रोसीड करेंगे.